Today another video is brought to you by Everyday Tech for Today. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and until next week, so you get notified every single time we post a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button. It will encourage us to make more videos for you. Before we'll move any further, I want to let you know about Liquid 1V. If you are an active person, or you live in a dry climate, it is vital that you maintain your hydration. Unfortunately, most people do not get enough fluids during the day. Their mission is to change the world by providing the best product. Only one stick and you will feel a multiply in your hydration, energy and immune support. Liquid IV have donated over 9M sticks worldwide with 30k positive reviews. The link to purchase Liquid 1V is in the description, and for 25% discount use the code EverydayTech for today. Today, our topic is the Ecoflow EFDELTA solar generator. Here are its features. Ecoflow Delta Power Station represents the new standard of battery-powered generators. Compatible with a wide range of devices, you can stay powered for hours, whenever and wherever. Stay in charge of any situation with Delta and keep your devices powered at all times. Delta has a huge 1260 Wh capacity that's perfect for power outages, outdoor adventures, and professional work. Never lose power again. Delta has a huge 1,260 watt-hours capacity that keeps your home devices fully charged during power outages and emergencies. The world's fastest charging portable power stations. Ecoflow have the world's fastest charging power stations. Delta charges from 0 to 80% in under an hour, giving you a quick boost of power even during the worst situations. Power your essential devices. With 6 by 1,800 WAC outlets, Delta lets you power essential devices when you're at home and heavy-duty power tools when you're working outdoors. One device to rule them all. Delta can power up to 13 devices at the same time. That's enough juice for brewing a cup of coffee, listening to your favorite radio station, or journeying into Middle Earth again. Home backup. Light 10W, CPAP 40W, fridge 150W. Microwave oven 1000W, washer 500, 1000W, television 110W, hair dryer 1600W, coffee maker 600W, electric fry pan 1500W. Off-grid life. Phone 3Ah, laptop 60W, camera 18 watt-hours, drone 60 watt-hours, electric vehicle 1800W, blender 400W, 850W, electric grill 1650W. Professional. Circular saw 1400W, drain cleaner 250W, welding machine 1800W, drills 1080W, bench grinder 1400W, concrete vibrator 840W, air compressor 975W, hammer 1260W. Ecoflow Delta. You're in charge. Power outages have been super difficult to deal with for my family. The EFDELTA pretty much solved our problems, providing enough power for my family of 5 and giving us a sense of security during the worst situations. We take Delta along with us on RV trips, and it's such a convenient way to keep all of our devices powered. Delta gives us the option to go off-grid with total peace of mind. 3 easy ways to charge. Solar charging. Harness the power of the sun by connecting Delta to three 160-watt solar panels to fully charge in just 3.5 to 7 hours. Car charging. Heading on a long road trip? Delta can be charged in 10 hours using a car adapter. Wall outlet. Plug Delta into any standard AC wall outlet to fast charge from 0 to 80% in under 1 hour and get fully charged in just 96 minutes. Specifications. Brand Ecoflow. Net weight 30.9 pounds. Color gray and black. Warranty 24 months. Capacity 1260 Wh. 50.4 volts. Cell chemistry lithium ion. Shelf life 1 year after fully charged. Lifespan 800 cycles to 80% plus capacity. What's in the box? Ecoflow Delta bag, 3.5 mm C4 to XT60 solar panel charging cable, 1.5 MAC charging cable, 1.5 meters car charging cable, user manual, warranty card.